aofia mai Sāmoa, tūmua mapule.
Mai ko aina o Hawaii, wahiki mai nei aina o Hawaii. Mai ko mauna, a mauna tisi, a mauna pitoa wahiki mai he leo velina, he leo whaafetai. Wahiki o komo mai a hoki ke mai ka wha Sāmoa he leo velina, he leo aloha. Following the flag bearer of Samoa is the current reigning Miss Pacific Islands, Miss Samoa, Moana Safato Schwenki.
O te whātulau atu le paia mawalunga o whapena sao I Hawaii nei. A whia o lau a whiaunga le Kovana Sili ma lau masiofu. A whia o le tena Kovana ma le paia le Mālō o Hawaii. Tulau. Tulau le paia mawalunga o taitai o Mālō ese, al tātou ainga le vasa Pasefika. Tulou, ai whaia lo leo whatau wā, whai masui, le awhia mai le awhianga le minstao A'oga ma Aganu'u, whapea le minstao langalango, al Mātāgaluega o A'oga ma Aganu'u. Mātou te whawhelo ai atu, i le paia ma le mamalu wa sa sao nei, o loto paia ma loto mamalu, o le ale e to e o ai se leo, o na o paia ma mamalu ma le mabau, e o le whaababau, a le pau lan mātou tala, tā lofa lava. Honorable Governor and First Lady, members of the Senate, dignitaries, Your Royal Highness, Excellencies, heads of government, and all the participants of the Festival of Arts here in Hawaii. On behalf of the government and the people of the independent state of Samoa, we come together here in our ohana here in Hawaii. Governor Ling, last night you made a very important point. You were present in our time of need in 2019 when the measles epidemic hit Samoa. We do not forget such kind actions. On behalf of the people of Samoa, we thank you for your service during our time of need. But I find it it's a blessing that I happen to stand right here, but right to my immediate left is a son of Samoa in the former mayor of Honolulu, Mufi Haneman. And I'm going to use Mufi's words. Every day is an opportunity, and that is why we are here. Every day is an opportunity for Samoa to shine the light on all of our young people, to shine the light of culture, to shine the light of our language. Ole tupuanga manfasino manga. Your genealogy and your identity is not negotiable. And in Samoa, we are here to ensure that our identity will never be negotiable. In our ohana, our islands of the Pacific, too often around the world, they look at us as small island states. But in the words of the late A'ofa from Tonga, we are not small island states. We are the caretakers of the largest ocean in the world. And although we are all from different parts of the Pacific, we share one body of ocean. And when we look from above from the satellites, we see there are no boundaries. There are no borders. We are one body, one people, one ocean, and we will continue to show that throughout these 16 days.
Amen.
Honorable Governor, we bring you gifts. The first of our gifts is a tanoa. The tanoa is a symbol. It's a symbol of gathering, a symbol of decision-making of our matais, our decision-makers. Our tanoa as well, as my Tongan and Fijian and all my Pacific Island brothers will tell you, is the original social media. Secondly, is the toto. Sorry, we have our ipu ava, of which we will partake in the drinking of our kava. . Secondly is our taua'ao. The taua'ao is our staff used by our orators. And when you stand with honor. You stand to represent your family. You stand to represent your district. You stand to represent your island. And represent to you the taua'ao. Next is the fui. It is not complete for our orators if you do not have a fui. The fui is basically to try and whip away all the bad spirits. It is a symbol to show that you are connected to your land, you are connected to your genealogy, you are connected to your people. And next is our siapo, the tapa cloth woven by our women in Samoa, and we brought it over the shores as a gift for the First Lady. This is a symbol of our women, the symbol to show our pride to you, the Governor and the First Lady. And lastly, we would like to offer our garland, an ulafala and an ulalopa. Ulafala for your good self, Governor, and an ulalopa for the First Lady. Governor, and ladies and gentlemen, this is not part of the script, but I cannot stand here and not acknowledge one gentleman. Aaron Salah, Kamodmoli, Fiamaya. Although Aaron is representing Hawaii, but he carries a Salah last name, and therefore he is Samoan through and through. To our family here around in Hawaii, we hope to show to you and showcase to you Samoa in its beauty, in its true essence. The late Tatesimi once said, learn to speak Samoan not so that you sound Samoan, but that you know the true essence of being Samoan. And so tonight, we are going to showcase to you just a few dances of what is to come in the next couple of days. So ifua maya manuia. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome four-time world champion A'eau Chris
Whawhitaitele lava, Samoa, penina le Pasefika.
Mālō ko Samoa.
Samoa just celebrated their 62nd anniversary of independence. Headed by Prime Minister Fiame Naomi Mata'afa. Samoa also hosted in Apia the 7th FestPac with the theme Tala Measina, unveiling our culture, arts, and traditions. And I echo the words of the eloquent orator who just presented, A'eau. Chief A'eau Hazelman, our mo'oku auhau, our genealogy and our identity is not negotiable. Whawhitai for your wisdom and whawhitai for your gifts.